Physiotherapy for neck pain is a tender embrace, a soothing journey from pain to peace. With each gentle touch and guided movement, tension unravels and aching muscles find solace. Stretch by stretch, strength returns, and the tightness softens like dawn breaking after a long night. Healing isn't rushed. It's a graceful dance of persistence and care, a reminder that pain can fade, replaced by the sweet freedom of movement and the quiet joy of living without the ache. Our therapeutic services include manual therapy, gentle hands-on techniques like massage and joint mobilization to reduce muscle tension, improve circulation, and restore normal neck movement. Posture correction, guidance on maintaining proper posture during daily activities to alleviate stress on the neck and promote long-term relief. Electrotherapy, use of techniques like ultrasound, transcutaneous electrical nerve stimulation, or laser therapy to decrease pain, enhance blood flow, and accelerate healing. Heat and cold therapy, application of heat to relax muscles or cold packs to reduce inflammation, easing pain and promoting faster recovery. Stretching and strengthening exercises, targeted exercises to increase flexibility, build strength in the neck and upper back, and improve posture, reducing strain and preventing future pain. Living with neck pain can feel like carrying an invisible weight that impacts everything: your work, your sleep, even your mood. I want you to know that this pain doesn't have to define your days. As a physiotherapist, I've seen countless individuals like you regain control over their lives, and I believe you can too. Neck pain often stems from poor posture, stress, or underlying issues that require more than temporary fixes. Physiotherapy can make a profound difference by addressing these causes. We work together through tailored exercises, manual therapy, and guided stretches to release tension, restore movement, and strengthen the muscles supporting your neck. But physiotherapy isn't just about physical healing. It's about helping you rediscover the ease and comfort you've been missing. Imagine waking up without stiffness, turning your head without hesitation, and leaving your day free from pain. Seeking help is the first brave step toward recovery. Let's work together to treat your neck pain and rebuild the life you deserve, active, joyful, and pain-free. You don't have to endure this alone. Relief is closer than you think, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way.